Country for sale. Apply within.
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa from here, the Vice. You know how it is. Buju dropping first tune after release from Incarcerated, Country for Sale. And with this, I go give you some hits so you reminisce.
Now Kubel, tell me what I go. I hear them sell off everything.
So yes, my viewer, subscriber, we are going to talk about this tune. We are going to break it down in all different ways. But before we do that, we are going to run the intro. So walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Said nothing more, your boy won.
Oh Lord, yeah. Look how they might sell out.
So yes, my viewer, subscribe after you know Buju do all them long walk to freedom and have time to sit down and reminisce and see what go on with the country. Buju the happy tears are come from Buju Ika. Buju and make you know say, yo, Jamaica one of the sweetest place you can find on the earth. But right now, Jamaican who live in Jamaica is like a refugee in their own country because Jamaica doesn't own by Jamaican. And that we are going to talk about today.
Oh, oh, oh. Hey, Jamaica, sell off.
Viewer, subscriber, big woman thing. X amount of respect goes out to Buju. Cause Buju knows say I'm an icon in the country. Buju using platform. And Buju make them know say, yo, the fuckery we not go on, we don't need to stop it. But me I tell you say, enough artists, enough DJ, enough singer supposed to start stepping in Buju shoes and start do the same thing where Buju do. Because right now the ghetto youth them get up every day and a fight and a kill each other. While the big boy them sit down up on top with them big ever house, them fancy car. I take them exotic holiday. I do all kind of thing, I circle the whole world with all different kind of girl. And I do what them want do. You see me? While you in the ghetto, I kill off each other. And me I say, yo, X amount Buju. And that me I tell you, enough of the artists them when wake up and start deal with things proper.
Here poor Donald Sangster, say off. Look there.
Yo, my viewer, subscriber, big man thing. Buju start off by tell us a airport that owned by Jamaica. And me I tell us say, yo, you ever pass through airport and see the big ever Jamaican flag and see them people are sing? I one of the sweetest enjoyment you can find. But not even that, when you look on our neighbor country and see say them got them big ever airport, them got them big ever airline. You not even hear Jamaica no more. You fly pan here Jamaica, one of the sweetest flight you get. Full of vibes. Buju, talk to them.
Down or off. You may think it's a joke, I see no reason to laugh.
So yes, my viewer, subscriber, if you're here, next thing Buju talk about is WAF. So Buju will give you the key element them first. And Buju will make you know say, yo, round a WAF a joke. You see me? You got to collect your things and yo, you have to go through so much different things, deal with different papers for all different kind of thing because yo, the system the right.
They be making promises, but all they doing is stop. I say, with the right connections, you can have anything if you wanna sell out, sell out.
Viewer, subscriber, we make it clear, we not promote violence. But hear me now, when you get up every day and you say 5 man are dead, 8 man are dead, 10 man are dead in the ghetto, and ghetto man a kill them own ghetto people. And we are see a time now for you no start put no anger, no frustration to the government. And make them feel no pain. You have to start voice on your own opinion. Because right now the big boy them sit down up at top. If you look at other country around the world, government mess up. People that make them voice here. And right now we say Jamaica in a great pain. And that's why so much things are going.
Oh Lord, why me gonna sell out, sell out? Oh yeah.
Viewer, subscriber, you have other country. I come in a Jamaica, come take it off. I get the whole of the land them. I get all of the contract them. I get everything. While the Jamaican them they can't touch nothing. Yo, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say, yo, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We're not even going to say nothing more. It's your boy Djstullaa one.